Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. In today's video, we are going to be making Abobi Tadi or Abobi Tadi, which is also known as anchovies. I will list all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always. When you get your anchovies or your Abobi, you would like to take off the head and also the belly to get off the sand. Depending on where you are getting your anchovies, you may or not have some sand on it. If you are getting it from the supermarket or Asian store, you may not have some sand. But if you are getting it fresh from the shore, like I did, you may have some sand on it. You would like to take off the head and the belly and give it a good wash like I did, and I'll show you what I mean by getting some sand. So after washing it, this is the sand I get settled under, so you need to wash it very well. So in a pan, I'm going to be adding some coconut oil. You can add any oil of your choice, and I'm going to be adding my washed abobi into this frying pan. I'm going to be frying it on shallow frying, and I will fry them until they are fully cooked. They will look caramelized, semi-dry and juicy. You can fry it all the way dry or just right and in between like mine. And when it is almost done, I'm going to be adding some fresh onion and some bell peppers, and I will allow it to simmer on low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. While that is going on, I will be grinding my pepper. If you have an earthenware bowl, go for it. And in place of that, I'll be using my Ninja processor to do my blending. To that, I'll be adding some pepper, habanero pepper. You can add any pepper of your choice, onion, cherry tomato, and romaine tomato. I'll blend these and add some salt to taste. I'm just going to blend into a texture that I'll get if I use the Vegba or earthenware bowl. So I'm going to blend to a rough texture. And now going back to check on the abobi, I'll give it a quick stir, and I will be giving it a sprinkle of some salt to taste, and I'll give it a stir and our abobi will be done. But for one final touch, I'll be giving it a squeeze of half lemon, couple of squeeze. You can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to that. And this lemon juice will just give your abobi or anchovies a fresher and flavorful aroma. And just like that, our abobi is ready. It looks delicious. It smells so good. You can serve this with rice, a.k.a. banku. You can serve it with any side of your choice. You can also serve this by itself, eat in a bowl, and you'll be delighted. I serve my abobi and a tadi with some a.k.a. and it was so delicious. I will share that recipe with you on the channel, so don't forget to check it out. It is very easy to make, and if you are in America, you can just make it without going through all the hassle thinking of what kind of corn flour I'll use to make this a.k.a. I share with you a simple one to make. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.